Stile Figura. Italian for make a good impression. Be a sharp-dressed man. Can I improve my silhouette? Yes. Understand some basics around how to make our legs look longer and our chest and shoulders look broader, and we present a very powerful masculine image. All that is required is some basic study of the dynamics of men's classic wear. My point of view, first impressions aren't accidental, they're created. Decide the impression you want to make before others decide it for you. Classic menswear conventions know the rule to break the rule, number 54. Should you wear high-waisted trousers? Yes. Try to wear high-waisted trousers to elongate your frame by making your legs look longer. Not too high though, or your tie will never work and it'll always look too long. If you look at old photos from the 1930s onward, men were wearing very high-waisted trousers and their ties were correspondingly very short to get the balance right. No one is making ties that short anymore. So that era can't be replicated today. Takeaway, getting the trouser height exactly right is a bit of a struggle, but moving the waist higher helps to extend the silhouette of your frame. So today's first impression builders, events and objectives in Tokyo. Had a French chamber event in Nihonbashi covering the Japan salary survey release presented by David Sweet from Focus Core, who is a guest number 38 on my podcast, Japan's top business interviews. An American chamber event at the brand new Marriott Hotel in Takanawa Gateway, South Pillar, featuring Tokyo Governor Yuriko Koike as a special guest speaker. A visit to the Australian Embassy in Mita to check on arrangements for the Griffith University 50th anniversary. I love that one up. There it is. There's the pocket square. The badge was from Dale Carnegie, New York, 1912. And let's see, the pen, the cufflinks, an S shape for Story, my name, Story, silver. The pocket square was a dark blue from Di Roma, London, 1980. The stabilizer from Cusca Fabrics, Kyoto, 1936. Let me just go back and pick. Was Mont Blanc, Hamburg, 1906. Classic Business Essential. Card holder, L'Envoi Paris, 1889. The watch was my vintage gold 3000.2M model Gucci, 1921, with a very simple black dial. The burgundy alligator strap is able to be swapped out for my black alligator strap when I need to do so, thanks to the Jean Rousseau Paris 1954 customization. The fragrance was Sicilian Mandarin from Ermenegildo Zegna, Treviro, 2012. The high shine shoes were dark brown Vegano Calf Carmina, Mallorca, 1954, toe cap Oxfords with a swan neck design, the rain last, and a J.R. Redenbach soles. So, style meets business. Peak lapels, high-waisted trousers, 35mm cuffs help you look taller. Broad pinstripes help you look wider, broader. When we know these things, we can live more intentionally and make better choices when putting together our professional wardrobe. Style opens the door, but leadership, communication, sales, and executive presence keep it open. At Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, we coach executives on all four. Want to master executive presence in Tokyo? Top performers in Japan's business world choose Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training to refine their leadership, image, and communication mastery. Access our free 35 white papers on leadership, sales, and executive presence in Japan. Download our 19 free books, and you find all that in the attachments with this video.